Ndị be anyị ndewo. Tata, anyị ga-akụziri ụmụaka anyị Abịdịị Igbo. Join us as we explore the Igbo alphabet. Be sure to take the quiz at the end and please download the free printable worksheet that will be linked in the description below. Please subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up if you like this video. Kids, say hello.
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 Okay, so let's start our lesson. There are 36 letters in the Igbo alphabet. These letters are called mkpụrụ Abịdịị. They are divided into two groups, 8 vowels, ụdaume, and 28 consonants, mgbochiume. Of these consonants, 9 are double letter consonants, which means they have 2 letters making up just one consonant. We call them mgbochiume ndị gbara mkpị. It's important to note that me and ni are in a class of their own. Even though they are consonants, they can also be used as vowels. Because of this, they are called Ñụrịa. In Igbo language, words are formed by placing vowels next to consonants. Me and ni break this rule, being the only consonant that can appear next to another consonant. We'll see this later in the video. A, ákwà.
Ákwà.
What's that?
Egg.
Egg, yeah. B, banye.
Banye.
What's that?
Enter.
Okay, what else?
Ákwà.
What does that mean?
Cry.
Oh, good. Next letter is made up of 2 letters.
Chi.
Chi, yes. So a word that starts with chi.
Chia.
Chia, that means what?
Laugh.
Okay, another one.
Chere. Wait.
Good. D, de, which means right. Then Dọkịta,
Dọkịta.
which means
Doctor.
great. Ego.
Ego.
What's ego?
Money.
Then eze.
Teeth.
Good. Fi, fe. What's fe?
Fly.
Gi, gwuo. That's read. Then genti. Listen. Gbe, gbanye. Pour in. Then another thing is boso. Gba oso. Run. Re. Okay. Gharị, that is confused. Then tụfuo, pour away. Then ghasaa, scatter. Gwuo, dig. Gwam, tell me. Hichaa, clean. Họrọ, pick out or choose. Imi, that's nose. Ijiji, that's what?
I don't know.
Housefly. Ị-ichafụ, that's scarf. Then Iga, handcuffs. Ji, that's yam. Then Chua, ask. Ki, kuzie, teach. Kulie, get up. Bele, pray. Barb or shave. That is blend. Then Ụgbọ, which is hay. Li,
Li,
Le,
Le,
that is look. Then Lo,
Luo,
that is marry. Mi,
Mi,
Meghee, open. Being a special consonant, Mi can be placed side by side another consonant. And when it is so, it sounds slightly different. This is also the case with Ni, which we will see next.
Ma,
Knife. Ni, Nara, receive. Ni also makes a different sound when placed next to a consonant. Ntutu, hair. Ni, Ñụrịa, rejoice or drink. We, nwanyị, female. Nwata, child. Nyem, give me. Nyaa, drive. Oroma, which is
orange.
Ose, pepper. Ọkụ, which is
Light.
Ọka, corn. Pia, which means hit, that's hit a ball. Then Pụta, which means come out. Rịọọ, which is beg. Then Rịọọ, which is
Eat.
good. Si, Sa, which is wash. Then Sie, which is
Cook.
She, Nshịkọ, crab. Ti, Sonye, throw in. Ta, bite or chew. Ugegbe, that's glasses. Then Udele, vulture. Ụgbọ, car. Ụkwụ, legs or feet. Vote. Wete, that's bring. Then WENIE, raise. Yeri, put on or wear. Lay egg. Za, sweep. Zo, buy or shop. Now we know all the letters of the alphabet. It's time for us to have a short quiz before we come to the end of this video. Here are the questions. 1. How many letters are there in Abịdịị Igbo? What are vowels called in Igbo? Name the 8 vowels in the alphabet. Name the 2 Ñụrịa in the Igbo alphabet. What are Ụgbọ Barambi? At this point, you may want to pause the video to think of the answers before continuing to reveal the answers. Here are the answers. 1. There are 36 letters in the Igbo alphabet. 2. The vowels are called ụdaume. 3. The vowels are A, E, I, E, O, U, and O. 4. The Ñụrịa are Mi and Ni. 5. Ụgbọ are consonants made up of 2 letters. There are 9 of them. Thanks for staying with us till the end of this video. I hope you learned a lot. Please subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up if you like this video. Don't forget to download the free printable worksheets that are linked in the description below. So kids say bye.
Bye.